Judy Allen here doing another impromptu for you, Johnny on the spot. I know what time it is. Oh, did before 9 o'clock. Yay! Progress. Better than late. Alright, so tonight I am just showing you just briefly what is in the Notes of Cheer card kit. There is absolutely no stamping in this kit. Zero. So there's no ink spot, there's no stamps, because you're doing no stamping. Alright, just a cute, fun kit. Let me go down the hands and show you, and I'll get back to you when I get done. How about that? Alright, there are 9 cards in this kit, and it's $12. So you get the sign when it's $12. The fact is that there's no stamps and there is no ink spot. Alright, so this is another one of the kits that is on sale with a BOGO sale. Because of these 3 different types of envelopes that are very pretty to coordinate with this. And it goes in instructions, showing you how to make them and everything and all, getting the light off the reflection there. And then here are the beautiful cards. This one's in the shape of a butterfly. Make my life brighter. These are all very cheerful. Here's another one here. You're on my mind and in my heart. And you've got bling in here. These are all pre-cut. This is already pre-cut. All you gotta do is stick it on. And the same thing here. Note, a little note of cheer. And this one down here says, I'm here for you today and always. How nice is that? So you just put the little tags on there. It's got the glue dots in here. And everything you need is right here. So you can see all it is just assembling. Here's the rest of the stuff I hadn't used. And then you have choices also of different languages. Now, I don't know about you, but I speak English. But I have members in the family that speak German. I have others that speak Cajun French. And I have others that speak Spanish. So there you go. There's diversity there. So that's just very short and simple of what's in this kit. All right? 3 beautiful cards, designs, for a total of 9 cards. All right? So I hope you enjoyed me sharing that. I hope you enjoyed me sharing that, because you know it's all about creating, sharing, and giving. And what an inspiration, you know, because these are all cheerful cards. You don't have to do any stamping. It's just assembling with everything in there in the kit. And you can bling it as much as you want, because there's always stuff left over. Alright, so they're on sale right now for buy one, get one half off. It doesn't matter. You can mix and match the kits all you want. But it's just now through the end of June. But even once it's over, it's very simple to make. There's no reason why you can't create. Get together with friends, share, then turn around and give it to somebody and make their day. Whether it's a friend, a family member, or just a much stranger you meet that you just want to touch their life and make a difference. Alright? So, Judy Allen here in San Antonio, Texas, with Adventurous Stampin, also known as Nana, with Zoe and Nana Stamping. We're here live, all our videos on YouTube, on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. So you can find us one way or the other, right? Alright, so be blessed and go out there and create something and give it to someone. Alright, until next time, bye.